I hope you enjoy watching this video because I'll be telling you about two very important things. The first is regarding the real life image of the Huawei Mate X-T, and the second, which is even more important, is that in my previous video I discussed Huawei's tri-folding phone and titled it "Apple Should Be Worried." Many of you asked why I used that title and what effect this would have on Apple. Let me explain this. First of all, the purpose behind the title was to highlight the fact that Huawei intentionally scheduled their launch date to coincide with Apple's iPhone 16 launch. This means that consumers' attention could shift from the iPhones to Huawei's new phone. Secondly, Huawei is about to launch a phone that has never been commercially available before, making it more exciting for people compared to the iPhone. And we are already seeing this happen, as Huawei recently opened reservations for this phone on their official website, and you won't believe the response here. Within a few hours, 2 million people reserved the phone right away. Now, you might understand why Apple should be worried. Many of Apple's customers, especially in China, could be drawn towards this phone, potentially making it even more popular than the iPhone 16 before its official release. As you can see here, Mate X-T reservation actively began on September 7 at Huawei Mall and reached 10,000 units immediately. And within a short period of time, the number has become 2 million and now it's around 2.7 million, which is just beyond expectations. A few netizens on Weibo stated that the iPhone 16 series doesn't seem much interesting compared to the Huawei's Tri-Fold. It seems the Tri-Fold creation already outshined Apple's new product ahead of the launch. But yet, it would be wrong to draw any conclusions before seeing the actual capabilities of both smartphones. But I hope I cleared my point here. Moving on, we also got this leak image of the phone before the launch. It showcases the Huawei Mate X-T in what looks like a fully open configuration, giving us a first-hand glimpse of the device's massive foldable display. Moreover, the image shows the screen spread across a large surface area, living up to the rumored 10-inch display size. Additionally, the screen features a punch-hole camera on the left side, rapidly an 8-megapixel front camera that adds to the device's sleek look. Furthermore, the screen seems to have no visible creases, giving it a modern look. Anyway, we are just hours behind the launch date of this amazing phone, and I will be covering every bit of it. So make sure to subscribe to the channel so you never miss any video of mine. And share your thoughts in the comments down below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.